Hey, I hope you have completed the task that I gave you in the last section. So, let's move ahead. In this section, we will learn about comments. What are comments? Do they have to do with the comments that we do on our social media? Hey kid, before you expand your imagination, let's move ahead. In simple terms, we comment on some pictures on social media, right? Why do we do that? To describe something about that image, right? Similarly, in programming, we comment to describe our code or to give some extra details about the code. Comments in C++. Program comments are explanatory statements that you can exclude in the C++ code. These comments help anyone reading the source code. All programming languages allow for some form of comments. C++ supports single-line and multi-line comments. All characters available inside any comment are ignored by C++ compiler. Single-line comments will start with double backslash, double slash. Example, double slash, this is comment. Multi-line comment starts with slash asterisk and the end with asterisk slash. Example, asterisk slash asterisk is the multi-line comment or our learning C++ asterisk backslash. Fill up the correct one. Comments in C++ are denoted by slash asterisk asterisk slash. Check the result. Yes, that's right. Example, when the above code is compiled, it will ignore double slash prints hello world, and final executable will produce the following result. Output hello world. In C++, single line comments start with sharp. It's true. Let us check the result. It's incorrect. So the right answer is false. It's correct. You did it. New milestone, crushed it. Our old costume, so I hope this section was fun because you wrote this first C++ code. Thus, without breaking the custom, let's have a small quiz. Every C++ statement ends with select sharp. Oops, it's incorrect. And colon, it's correct. Header files add functionality to C++ programs. It's true. Yes, that's right. All characters available inside any comment are ignored by C++ compiler. True. Yes, that's right. You have done enough in the section, mate. Take a break. I will see you in the next one.